Hey, I'm Sarah, and I was just sent the zero gravity chair. This is so much bigger and all around, it's got so many more things to it than what I've seen in the past. This is huge. It is so much wider. It's about 26 inches wide here. Now you can get in it, and it actually has locking mechanisms. So when you sit in here, wide armrest all the way back, and you can actually lock it. So if I want to go to a certain area, you've got these nice handles right here that lock it in place, and then it stays where you want it to go. Now, you can go all the way back and recline back to lay down real nice. Now, I'm 5'11", and this is fitting me really well. You've got a nice little pillow back here that you can remove off if you don't like it, or you can adjust it down. You've got nice braided ropes all the way around here, just to be able to add a little springiness in here. Then, if you wanted to get up, set up right here, lock it in place if you want to. Then it also comes with a nice little adjustable strap that you can carry it with and add it on there. And this little fella, you can actually put on a cushion. And this is more like a bed at this point because this is beautiful. You just tie all this in so it stays in place. Then when you sit back, you've got a nice cushioned area. You've got a cup holder that you can put on and off. Put in maybe a little phone, magazine, anything like that over there with little holders on the side. It's a great, comfortable chair that you can have inside, outside, just enjoying the nice weather. So here's the chair up close, just so you can see all of those braided cords in here. They're nice and elastic, which is great. Nice breathable mesh fabric all the way around here. So if you did get this wet because it's outside, that is perfectly fine. Here is your locking interfaces here. And then you've got these nice padded feet down at the bottom, which is great. That way it won't slip around. And you've got your pad down here at the bottom as well. There's a nice chair. Super comfortable.